I feel like to understand if you've really done well in terms of color coding, you should look at your load when you're washing and it looks kinda similar. And the word I'm using, kinda similar, it looks like the same color group. If you can notice, we are actually washing clothes inside out because this is how we can control some of those color fading and buttons and some of those agitations that happen when you're spinning. So yeah, and clothes always come out when they are all tangled up, so we need to take care of that as well. So what Juma is doing is we are washing at night, but you see when the clothes come out of the machine, don't leave them in whatever container you took them out with when they are all, entangled. Immediately put them on a line, put them on a hanger. If you can't even air dry immediately, do what we are doing and then keep them in a folded form, because now you see that we are washing at night. So we rather get them out in that situation, and then after we shall fold them in that situation so that we don't add wrinkles on wrinkles.